Today, I wanted to talk to you about a new product called Tear. Tear is revolutionary because it uses bike tubes to create a temporary roof rack system that's simple to install, easy to remove, and doesn't damage your car. I have a small car, which means I've always been restricted to what I can carry. For example, I can't go for a surf with my compact car. The surfboard just doesn't fit. And I didn't want to fork out hundreds of dollars on permanent roof racks that, let's be honest, can look a bit silly. And why have roof racks on your car when you're not using them? This way you can take them off and save money on petrol. Tear allows me to go for a surf and carry any item I couldn't normally take before. And it isn't just for small cars. Tear fits almost any car with a roof. The best part is how simple it is to fit. It comes with everything you need to safely and securely transport almost any item on the roof of your car. It comes with the Tear roof racks and quick tightening strap to secure your load. And even the bag it comes in is reusable. Once you're done, it all folds down into the reusable bag so you can store it in the boot of your car or your cupboard at home, ready to go again. Tear is fitted with safe and high-quality bike tyres. Simply inflate with a bike pump. Once inflated, place the Tear roof racks on the roof of your car. Secure the strap inside your car, then pull tightly. Make sure the strap is firm. Place your object on the secure Tear roof racks on top of your car. Use the quick tightening strap to tie down your load. Make sure the strap is tight when pulled. Close your door and you're ready to go. How simple is that? Now I'm not restricted to only what I can fit in my car. Tear is the best temporary roof rack system. Now I can't wait to go for a surf. All thanks to Tear.